Hey, today I'm gonna go hunt with my dad. We're gonna do a shoot and cook today. I'm gonna show you guys a cool dove recipe, and let's get it. Hopefully I get some good footage for you guys, so stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm out here in Marana. It's beautiful out today. Hopefully they'll be flying. I got some decoys set behind me right here. So let's get it. Pop the breast like this. I'm gonna stick my thumb underneath its cavity. I'm just gonna rip it. Just like that. So now you got a nice clean breast. Boom. Again. Pop the breast. Stick the finger up its cavity. Go ahead and rip it apart. There you go. Just gonna pop the breast open like this. And then underneath here, I'm gonna stick my thumb in between the bird and just rip them. I'm gonna grab the back spine and just pull. Here you have a good breast. Just gonna go home and clean her up, just like that. Cleaned up here. I'm going to go ahead and fillet it a little bit later. I gotta go to the store and get some jalapenos, and we're gonna do some jalapeno dove poppers, baby. Woohoo! All right, I'm gonna make my famous jalapeno dove poppers. Here we got granulated garlic, some doves I shot this morning, some thick bacon by Costco there. This is a secret recipe. I learned that from my buddy John Weir. Pineapple schmuckers. Jalapenos, I don't know what kind of peppers these are, but we'll whip it up right now. What I'm gonna do is fillet these breasts. Just taking the dove breast here, just cutting the meat off, just like this. Okay, trim the little cartilage there. Do that on both sides. Usually when I get to the bottom, I can just scrape it off like this. Continue to do that on all the breast. Just like this. It's real simple to do. So I'll cut along here, and then at the bottom, I normally just scrape it off. I don't have to like bend the knife or anything. Just like that. Same thing with the other side. Okay, and then I just gonna tear it from the bottom. There you go. Now that I'm all done with the doves, I'm gonna split these peppers here. Now I'm going to take a spoon and just empty all the seeds out. There. Like that. Just scrape the seeds out. Now for the stuffing, I got cream cheese. I'll put a little bit of garlic powder and this pineapple Smuckers here. Mix her all up. Super easy.
You just had water. She just had water.
Garlic powder. Or one hefty scoop to one. Let's go ahead and mix all that together. Okay, let's cut up some bacon now. Cut this into thirds. 1, 2. Okay. Now it's just assembly time. Now I'm gonna fill this thing up with a little bit of cream cheese. Okay, put a dove on here. Take a piece of bacon. I'm just gonna fold it like this. And then pin it. Instead of wrapping it, this is what I like to do. Just like that. 1. Take a pepper. Add a dove. Some bacon. So I'm just gonna keep doing this, finish her up, and then I'll sprinkle some steak seasoning on top there. And then when the kids want, whatever the kids want, they just grab a few and then they just pop it into the air fryer. Super duper easy. It's fun to make also, more fun to shoot, but. Alrighty, this is the end result right here. Check it out, boom. So I'm gonna add a little bit of steak seasoning onto that, and should be ready for the air fryer. That's it. Boom. Okay, I'm gonna pop a few in the air fryer. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll do 5. Oh, I'll try one of these. 2 jalapeno and then 2 of these other peppers. We'll give it a whirl. She's all done. I got a guest that came just at the perfect time. What's up, Johnny?
What's up?
Try it. Let me know what you think. Of course, you've had this before.
Fresh kill from today, huh?
Today.
Ooh, oh.
Still hot? Oh, goodness. Let's see here. Cheers. Delicious.
Very good.
Very good. Very good. Very good.